What's up, people? I'm back with another video, this time with recipe of Cop's favorite snack, doughnut. Well, not in India. Chole bhature aate hain yahan pe. But before I begin, I would say this is a very basic recipe. I haven't added any filling inside the donuts. But if you still want to add, you can just inject some chocolate inside the donuts, or some liquid chocolate, or any other sauce, or green chutney. Did I just say that? Yeah, so whatever you want. Let's begin. To start making, take 300 grams of maida or refined flour, 85 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 3/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon curd, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and 50 grams of butter. Now in the bowl, add the milk and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Keep it aside for a couple of minutes. Take another bowl and add your refined flour. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now add a pinch of salt. Then add 85 grams of sugar. Now add your cinnamon powder and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of curd. Then add 50 grams of butter. Finally, add your milk and vinegar mixture in it. Now mix it well till you form a very good batter. It should form like a dough. Flatten the dough and cut donuts out of it. You can even use a donut cutter or a bowl. Now fry these donuts out in a pan till they are golden in color. Now for the toppings, I have used both chocolate and vanilla. To make them, just melt them with some butter. Dip the donuts in the sauce. Oh hello, there you go. Yes, I have used sprinkles as well. They're not much heavier, so you can keep on eating them and they sure as hell look yummy. So this is it from my side. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please be sure to visit my channel and like, share and subscribe. So yeah, there you go. I'll be back with other videos. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.